The condition of lubricant oils is highly relevant for the machine performance as well as the reliability of the machine. It loses their properties during their usage. Therefore, oil must be changed regularly. The question is, when is the best time for the next change? We from Zila are developing and manufacturing best-class sensors for process monitoring and predictive maintenance, like our new Loop 6. Loop 6 is an inline sensor for measuring lubricant oil quality in real time. The sensor has a rugged design with a stainless steel housing ready for an installation in a machine. Both sides prepared with M10x1 female thread intended for pipe fittings. A screw terminal for digital I/Os and a Modbus TCP interface make the interaction with the machine control system as simple as possible. And the sensor is equipped with a web interface for sensor configuration and diagnosis. The sensor is a multi-channel device and it measures the following typical lab parameters in parallel: oxidation, nitration, soot content and water content, ethylene glycol, TAN, TBN, additive content and sulfatation. Let's have a look on the built-in web interface. After connecting the device with an Ethernet cable, this user-friendly web page pops up in your browser and can be used to look at the device information, to set up the device, to read the measurements and to view the change log. The quick example shows first the activation of a digital output to create an alarm when oxidation reaches the limit. Secondly, the change of the measurement interval, and finally, how to measure can be started manually. Of course, the measurements of the sensor can start automatically too. The Loop 6 sensor uses an optical measurement method called non-dispersive infrared technology, which the big lab spectrometers use. To make the sensor better applicable for direct machine integration, Loop 6 evaluates relevant areas in an infrared spectrum only. The big advantage of the Loop 6 sensor is a permanent monitoring of the oil aging process, for instance indicated by a significant change of measurement values related to the oxidation. Suppose the sensor starts after an oil change, the first measurement represents a fresh oil. According to the set measurement interval, the sensor acquires and records further measurements. Such a trend is useful to predict the time for the next oil change. Besides oxidation, all other named parameters are logged and accessible. Real-time oil condition monitoring is a key to avoid machine damages and machine downtimes in many applications, like wind turbines, transformer stations, marine industry, and gas turbines. The new Loop 6 oil quality sensor turns time-based oil change in a need-based approach. It will help to save money, costs, as well as fossil lubricants. Please feel free to visit our webpage for further information.